x 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity domain. This is domain and this is range. Okay, range is always positive. Let us take the next slide to explain you. So y equal to 2 to the power x into x minus 1. Take log base 2. Why we are taking log base 2? Because outside it is given as 2. So this can be written as log base 2, 2 to the power x into x minus 1. So this will give you x into x minus 1 log base 2. So this will give you x into x minus 1 is equal to log base 2y. Now we can write this as x square minus x minus log base 2y equal to 0. We have to make to subject of x equal to minus minus plus 1 under root of plus minus under root of 1 minus minus plus 4 log base 2y. We have used minus b plus or minus. What I have used is minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Using that. Now as range is always positive, we take x is equal to 1 by 2 common, 1 plus under root of 1 plus 4 log base 2y. If you write in a proper way, f inverse x is equal to 1 by 2, 1 plus under root of 1 plus 4 log base 2x plus 1. This is the inverse. So domain is also positive, range is also positive starting from 1 to infinity.